Good day everyone, I hope you are doing good. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to change name on Instagram. If you want to change or edit your Instagram profile name or username, you can easily do that within a minute. So make sure you watch this whole video and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. To change or edit your Instagram profile name or username, the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to right bottom corner and click on your profile picture. Then go to right top corner and click on this three minus. And this settings and activity page will open. And at the top of this page, you will get this option called account center. So here you have to click on account center. Then you have to click on profile. And then you have to click on your Instagram account. And this interface will open. On this page you will see many options like name, username, profile picture and avatar. If you want to change your Instagram profile name, then you have to go with first option. If you want to change your Instagram username, then you have to go with second option. And similarly, you can change your Instagram profile picture and avatar as well. I want to change my Instagram profile name, so I will click on name and this box will open. In this box you will get your Instagram existing profile name. Now you can easily change or edit. My Instagram profile name is Sahil Delhi. I want to change it and I want to have Sahil Mumbai. So once you have changed your Instagram profile name, simply you have to click on this save button. But one thing you have to keep in mind that you can change your name only twice in 2 weeks. It is mentioned below. You can only change your name twice within 14 days. So once you have made changes in your profile name, simply you have to click on this save button. And your Instagram profile name will be changed. As you can see, earlier my Instagram profile name was Sahil Delhi and now it is Sahil Mumbai. So in this manner, you can change or edit your Instagram profile name or username. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.